Okay, here we go. This here's a tater gun. Got it far out. Get a good shot at this.
Oh my god, I lost my balls.
Potato cannon hooked up to a grill igniter. Potato cannon, grill igniter.
With a bunch
Bash.
of wire and-
Corona.
Yes. Corona.
Stupid?
Bash.
Stupid's teacher.
Yes, unfortunately.
Unfortunately. You fucking love me, shut up.
What we got in here that's packed is a potato, paintable,
Plastic bag.
plastic bag, a stick,
And paint
more
around the
paint.
stick.
paint around his stick.
This is such a bad idea.
Okay, here we go. We have got, for fuel, Rave 4 Mega. Beautiful, beautiful, yes, yes.
This is fucking going on YouTube, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
It'll upload as soon as we get done with it.
I'm making a fucking MySpace for this. Oh yeah, we'll use one of Coronas.
One of them?
Put more in there?
Let's put some more in there.
Yeah, you want some more in there. We need some power.
You have multiple MySpaces?
We have 4.
Why? Good point.
You ready?
Alright, sit it down. Count down, 5, 4, 3, 2, fire.
Bullshit.
You're a jinxing ass motherfucker, Bash.
God damn it, Corona.
Hold on. Stop.
Worthless.
Okay, now shoot it. Okay,
I hate this.
we've got the malfunction.
Oh shit! It worked. I'm so sorry. Come here.
Oh god. Are you okay?
Do you have it on camera?
Yes.
Oh shit!
So you just had no heart attack.
We'll be back.